lot of it's just been like I underestimated how much just watching it grow and being present like brings me so much joy. I'm like every day when I see it, I just feel so happy. So it has been just like more of like the experience of watching it and taking care of it. Now getting more into using it all.